Manufacturing is no more a quarantine function within the four walls of the factory or an assembly plant.
More and more obvious that there's a acceleration to sustainability, to renewable energy, and to the bioeconomy.
What you need as a manufacturer is the ability to integrate, build, and reconfigure internal and external competences to address rapidly changing environments.
Everywhere we see the need for new technology and change. So it's not only a technology program, these are business improvement programs. So there's OCM, organizational change management, and potential for process improvements. We're looking to generally shift from supply push to demand pull.
And the whole idea is the design together with Industry 4.0, and the purpose and objective is how we create the productivity, profitability, and the sustainability. You need to think about how you design to support this configuration and design to support personalization product.
The lessons I've learned is always have to dream big. If you don't have a big image of how your factory works in the future, you won't be able to start. But it's important to start small. If you have a production cell, just work on that single production packaging cell and see if you can collect data, see if you can use IoT in order to improve it. And if it works, then it'll work anywhere. And then you can go to the next scopes, expanding your line and copying that machine over there.
The next would be essentially saying, explore all the new different digital channels for making sure you offer that good end-to-end customer experience. And obviously in the smart factory or your operations, you need to embrace some of these new advent technologies, making sure it is not only limited to connecting machines to each other, but connecting to a digital thread the entire supply chain.
There is room for quite a bit of Google innovation, a lot of applications coming in from various sources which can be deployed. So it's important for an organization to define their system boundary very well and accordingly go in a lean fashion to embrace the digital platform, digital journey, digital transformation of their landscape.